Good afternoon, children. Welcome to today's EVS 1 session. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home and eagerly waiting for today's session. In this lesson, we are going to learn lesson number 10 Getting to Know India. As we all live in India and we all are Indians. Have a glance on this map. In this map, you can see our country. This is the map of India. But when you see this map, we are also having some neighboring countries whose boundaries are connected with our country. Pakistan and Afghanistan is connected towards the west. China, Bhutan, Nepal, Bangladesh, etc. towards the east. And one country towards the south also, that is Sri Lanka. But how can we trust the directions? This already we have learned in standard 4th and just we are going to revise now. Always remember, as shown in the above map, you can see north is shown in upward direction. Downward is the south direction, which is shown with the red writing. Always remember, direction in which the sun rises is east, and always opposite of east is west, as shown in the map above. So these are the main directions which are shown in the map and which we have already studied in standard 4th. Indian subcontinent is surrounded by water on all the three sides. That is Arabian Sea on west, Bay of Bengal on east and Indian Ocean towards the south. And you can see map of India, it is tapering in the downward direction. So, this triangular part of India is called as Indian Peninsula. In the above picture, you can see two maps separated by a line. But these two maps are completely different from each other. In the first map, you can see some different colors are used in the map, like green color, yellow color, blue color, brown color, etc. And especially you can see the Indian peninsula is colored with a green color. So this represents different types of landforms in a map, which we have already learned in the chapter. For example, you can see mountains, valleys, hills, etc. This type of map is called physical map. While in the second map, you can see India is divided into small places and names are given to them. They are called states of India, and even we can see that capitals are mentioned. When names and capitals are mentioned in a map, then that map is called political map. Our country is divided into different states. According to our textbook, there are 29 states and 7 union territories. But at present, there are many changes. And according to the year 2020, there are 28 states and 8 union territories. One state is decreased. Thank you. Have a nice day.